Sa kwasi asem we ti John Mahama wa to hu si wagim enti wa to hu si o ye kwasi a the message sampa ya me nana kuro me nana na chichire ye enso o maku police fo a kan kwachi o mkogu prison o mo ntena sampa o nko jimi o mo nane moa o sampa o na fana fo na egu sampa o no mabushi amfo ne half but message yan kan kwasi so mkogu prison no mo sua nyansa uwi akwasa bokofo no se de be ya obi tiwa na dwenye ne se metima ku police akofri metima ku soja akofri na e ba sa o man ni nyese.
Me a very sure say me nkwa na me hu say I say there seems to be insecurity in this country Ghana. The insecurity rate no I wish abegin semu Ghana no is ya na no ahwe nso no abo ho ban every say the insecurity no ano abeden Twene Jonas won ti ase enu achi na sampa basa start e ho no police 44 allegedly abasi abo police 44 tuo ama o ma we say under the watch of IGP Teteh Yohonu no police for ewu soldiers for ewu no enya asim kuma Twene ese won ti ase na IGP Teteh or incompetent on resign ni enkofa Dampare emra Twene we bona adwene me won kire unu akire wadwene ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mezo say ni die mo obe like video no other ama subscribe button so be click notification on the latest update na be kire wadwene ama me e wo comment section best raso baso no ashare from so eja bi ahwe it recently any hu say ahensem bi mentwansi bi eba ho e wo sampa I say na somodua ene somgbajafra je obetena ahe sampa man hene akonwa kese so that's why be sampa man I don't say because on the 9th of February 2025 no ana somgbajafra otumfo ebo ne man hene e wo sampa e ma oba otumfo kura so ye mention ifie e be taking oath of alliance after said somodua e dey assembly ko otumfo ni otumfo hwensiesie otumfo hwemu no that's akonwa no e kofa ekoma somgbajafra entino mu ye etuye e de ahenie no ema somgbajafra ema nkwa recently o mu de ne call National House of Chief Echo Gazette no say now no he's being gazetted as sampa man hene na eno na somadua say on tiase etino ohodom no omo support somadua no omo wo so ama abedane chieftaincy dispute kese pa ohodom ama nipa ewu omo no enya asem kuma police phone bi ewu na Twene issue na say there bi anyway enya adikesie bia I just under the watch of IGP Teteh Yohonu yetimi bo police photo e wo issue ho I say the insecurity in this country no abedoso boko police for wu aha police for wu ama sampa so police for that Twene so on tia say under the watch of IGP and where police for gina besa e de Twene as abeke Canada in fact wa fans spare IGP wa fire ne pa
Ghanaians have every right on betu abayina free so because when you're kwasia you don't know what you're doing man so what you say enti John Mahama san kwasia ke kan jai mechi wei meye wei say no e ma won kura ne mekeka e ma ni free woman panyini na kwasia uti anyansa nim ma ni free wanum ma na wo yesa wagimi odwan kura won faso chen enti wo begina wa next time John Mahama odwan ka say me ba me the IP address no e be chi criminals e ba sa obi abebo ni nsema ma because that is your job. But I say I mean the IP address ebechi Ghana for no, and no you have failed as a president. That is not your job. So Baba treat Ghana for because you are the one who's supposed to protect Ghanaians. Odwan say won tim empanyin na ase akwase empanyin say na ase kire etie ye to abanema wi a Ghanaians are expecting say BBC a won na ombeto o monsa afraw. You are like an umbrella I will protect your mind nyina. Enti kwase empanyini a wo mom na so protect your mind on sign metrete o man mufuo no because of say wa jimi u feelings about ho enti wa dane jimi fo you don't do that enti mesra mo obi say stop in short o dwan nipa na jimi no mama fire obi say Kevin yeah chi abusianfo ya John Mahama na me fire no John Mahama what you Kevin Taylor what you Matthias what you Kevin Taylor ka so ni mpanifo atem oni obi atem na wa kro ya betina ho say Ghana ni a obedi obi atem bia na me abeche no ami ya chi abronye so kra no Matthias abronye no on cash NDC chairman na si obetwa afinyo market and no say abronya say se man kwati mo chairman na ebe ma yensu yenkofo mo da afinyo markets abetwete Mahama bio ana ne yire na afesu masa akwachi omo enti mo nkwachi mo nipa a ono so twete Ghana fo One, as soon as Bronya can you not go to bed 1 week a day. Meanwhile, Nipana or no treaties of the coffee in your market. On no more. And 2 years I want deviate because Mampany dear. NDC need the money at channel. MPP need the money at channel. By Kobasa, NDC need the money no cost free. MPP need the money at Quachina. Oh, yes, sir, you are not being fair. One year, channel. Yeah, Matthias, I would say, Bibia better. Matthias, you're Ghana for a Jumania. Yeah, blow my now no the taxpayers money. Who is our deportation for a deportum from America? Nigeria for a deportum, who are behind hotel, your Makubu, or Ghana. I day now, Nigeria, man, penny my jomo. Oh, and never be a Fabia, Ghana, yeah, by glass and glass. What do you wish? Of course, you know what it is. We are in the grassy of our time, City, baby. Akufado, Onyana Medina Tema, Musumunya Medimatem, Assembly annual. This platform is purposely for truth and it's for Ghanaians. And it is what it is. And John Mahama Ojain and this in Yabu Adiboni Aquacheno said the Abaya MPP new Quachina will be anti Kasa. Eba and Kakwasia also be quaffing your mark in Cedar prison to Sabronia, Kobia Meka, and may do attempt by what Jimmy Obiso Beku. I think your markings on the more the man on them fear. Now Bronya say, Kona Kwache. Nipa all threats so be quaffing your markings. I was in my chair, Bronya no moment at the Akotuma. Your mama, oh yes, I quasi out here before we are born so on person Kabima or Bomuntin Kabima. Me and this form person Kabima, Bomuntin Kabima because the truth is powerful. Chiria Metrono, on person Kabima, to say only Ibrahim Mama or Baberia black vote and Name Mobiko Kuna. Uba wish a year as you be a person Kabima Samino, but a year because we are Cronfon where Obi and me defend the Cronfon. Anti black vote and a national properly. Anti Mopa Munya, Namfaswam Benyan Monfanko Sisi school dying. And I'm from Koika, Quina Munya, and Berry, and yes, Ibrahim Amadua. Sabe pen the machine this in Yontmin Casa because Obian himself Cronfon or who and a Cronuano. Only other and your mamma dying. And he said, "Yeah, Jimino, Unya Kamafo, Mianam see and to Abanamau, Mianam Nimsoya Quasia, until you can still do better. Well, you can still do better. Some Quasia, some say, made the taxpayers' money as sponsor Gambia for a year deportum free Americano, a year Jimmy investment, a young Quasia Papayo, and if I say you can't call Buagana for more bread. Tiriamechano. Ye deport to America, a yesetram ne koma Nigeria ni a onfa koma Tinebu. Enya John Mahama no de Nigeria ni koma no. Sa kwase asem we. Ti John Mahama wa to ohun si wa jimu. Enti wa to ohun si o ye kwase a. Say foreigner wa be di ni bone wa America ni e deport na me na me be gi natena Ghana. Me ohun si o ye aboa. Now rapists ni criminals ni human traffickers a ye deport to omo America, omo criminals. America for no more fidia. Betimi anti criminals no. Omo akura suro sa awudifo no. No mu deport omo a wo John Mahama wa jiminti. Wo na abaji omo atena ukrom wo ya boa. Si wa jimi abra Ghana ni a wote boku adwane ko Ivory Coast. Say Ivory Coast for save no because ni krom nye safe. Enti adan na nkwose sa Bokufo na omo Ivory Coast na omo sika na omo Ghana ni masa na on fa sika na ades eboa deportifo na nko boa ukromfo ntafo na omo gu Ivory Coast nko sisa omo mankan omo gu hotel na obi anhu se woni minyansa adan wa jimi se meja Ghana ni amwada ne refugee wo Cote d'Ivoire na me de Ghana ni no ne maame ne nabusuanfo sika de akwa sponsor ala tania boa ana Gambia ni aboa Trump deport na free America wo ya boa uti abofom John Mahama woni twasre wo ye kwasia wo map no bi antimi face o heat na no odene ani ntina mo ne mo kwasia kobo Kevin Taylor aboa ne pa na emesere because ho na mu se John Mahama wo ya boa because ha nyina wo nante a illegal wo be ko prison enso me ye de empewa America man panyini suo me FBI for me te akira antimu amagimi na FBI ni Yoko boss kwase ampanyini no ono osuro me menye shatawale o Iyoko boss kwasi empanyin no osuro me tie ya me tro no sa na FBI for no susuro me ya me pen na me I do whatever it is I want. Anyina illegal because how ujina aka betima bonti ya chewa uko prison because o pese uku ho enti America mnam ya chewa I do uko prison so I do whatever it is I want. Trump usuro me ni fie wa kire ya and you better report you better me catch you Trump say ni tiri say mefin Ghana for ko kire mu kire no sere no sere wantimi anye hu anya no be last year mu ho obi antimi ontimi nye hu osame ko deport nkofo da bia menam krom ade warm up ba da bia cameras boba police cameras FBI cameras abobo ba bia omde chi criminals omde chi immigrant for enso mi gina krom om suro mi om twam om anim tam bia the police are our friend. Isn't that incredible? Heaven am na we nyame shabroni. The system is working 24/7. The truth will always feel like so of course obaso anu ahye no credit say da bia ye no Anti Ibrahim Mahama no mo pese ye sie na mo mane na ne kromfo emfa me ho memo obi akoku no enti mo pese wotena sididi a kakra na wanya na ye wote private jet emu ani mebere Ghana fo agapade bio eye enkowia black voter no eye wodi galamsey say nsuo sesi ya stop MPP fo nyina o mo ntimi nye galamsey Ibrahim Mahama nko an ye galamsey no Chama ikutu NDC for chama ino mo sensu o ba bia ni nyina o mo fidie ni nyina ya excavator no Ibrahim Mahama dia na no custom for ni say Ibrahim Mahama dia excavator more than 2000 na Ghana o di ni nyina ko illegal mine wantua kobo ama custom for no man ka che me say John Mahama o dwan ni say o minu ya na de bantima mo nye kapre wantua kobo antua sempoa we excavator ni free Ghana custom for na na frame ka kire me bibia me o mo ka kire me ti say John Mahama kwase ai e de private jet cover Kevin Taylor abo ya ba Ghana abetua bribe ama judge for so o mo nye bribe no mo nya Kevin Taylor o mo di ka kire me 3 months ansana Kevin Taylor abo an kure ba Ghana ho anya John Mahama ne yo dwan anka Kevin Taylor obede no hu private jet physical crowd no anya bi matena nya John Mahama ne yo dwan a ebeda e possible nti kwasi ampanyi John Mahama tie mi ye o man na mama ya to aba ma no o medani MPP for no cry far better than you cause o mom time na Ghana for anko dani refugee wo ba bia o mo time na bokofo mo we ni na mo na me o mo ba Ghana o mo ba Kumasi koba o ma anko tutu o Kumasi anko bia na o mo koba da bia na o mo ni na mo na o mo ni bone eba say am nko ama jimi a mo time mo kum nipa left and right ti munya careful memeti nya trete Mahama no patu anwumre muntie mi ye obi antime nkasa muntie mi ye saa ehu no de hye Ghana fo emu no saa ehu no when it comes to the almighty Twene Jonas na pem ono John Mahama ne kwase out for so hia me sesi a ono national security fo agimi fo ni na including the baba ya na me pen adino no me pen abone dogi no ane lodina ndi ane to se cheche kule ne to kapu ne to a se BBL ayaka bom 300 lodina omunyina atefo so hwam se sia the almighty is the best. Nobody is better at this than you omunyina so me and the truth is powerful and I made the me be yon me di ka catch though and there's no favoritism me se sampa ya me na na kuro me na na chichire and so omaku police fo aka kwachi omkogu prison omun tina sampa onko jimi omun nane muwa o sampa ho na fana fo na gu sampa no mabushi amfo ne half but me se dia kan kwase so omkogu prison na omusua nyansa uwi akwasa bokofo no se de be ya obi tiwa na dwenya ne se metima ku police akofri metima ku soja akofri na e ba sa o mine nye safe because obi to shi obi so a say ni pakro no nya confidence me frɛ Ghana police na ma wudi ni dwane ana criminal ni dwane na se ye ka se ye frɛ Ghana police ana Ghana soldier na criminal no sere sɛ o mekura me kom ko free. How much safe are we? John Mahama o dwane how much safe are we? Nti suanyansa it's never too late. me ma Ghana for to abama we ni when you akra. Until you have more time to change. Now what done ni papa. Dan say mo be yana and listen to me my power view. Because the ugu and one ucha. Ghana for what that dam yan to abama oba ya be trumu kwasi ya waba. How many months in your team? When I'm yet demonstration after demonstration, I could forward it in room and until on Timincham, Yaba Ebecham, Quasia former Bamunchadianum, and see a quarter, a affect a quarter, there be my Jimmy Muntimincham. So, Auntie, I'm telling you the fact and the reality. I ain't scared of nobody. Ghana embassy, ambassador not to Osrome. Ghana embassy 2 minutes walk I watch here slow your mind because the truth is powerful. They are scared of me. John Bedru no more that damn munyam come to munyam ya the Twene Jonas beba ye planning ya the neighbor Kevin Taylor one man 24 hours. More than 1 million hours in your slow me on to me come asem there be ambedina tem there be ambedi Kevin Taylor one atem. Nyasa ne yiri broni abruan kwa aba abruan kamekwa akofana ko dino foolish case na me say church there no ka ne yiri broni abruan ya abaya kamende ne be diabrofo ma free amwasu na me bo ne yiri ndogi not wo hwe na osu no ntimi nyewu na me ka cho say every flag in the bom nyame shira broni every na me glass nko. The Almighty is the most powerful. Nothing and nobody is better at this than you. Yohonu, when him say fufua, adina outri me and san wa potori wam. Yohonu, when him say manken fufua yede eta, ewa wa you wam wafum. When him tofo ntu musu wa Jimmy o gianti Dampare ba ya no chi criminals no kwasia na unigana hwa na ntu ni madwuma aden na onfre no Dampare e bese ne enko employ Dampare no nka ho. Now on your assistant, on your deputy, non chair for anti-criminals. A simple Jimmy, I must one year hand time for one so unima juma. And one say, oh, Obini Majuma, your friend no me boy, a simple. Tiamechon yo. And what Jimmy na the bia ye kumni power ha, I would this Samuani, ye kum crab police for into who's Jimmy. Some perform Quasia for or me a wine. Don't get me wrong, me and my bushy and four, but I mean, there's no favoritism in one. My boy Jimmy, I'm a fire. Some perform Quasia for me and wine. Timmy police for now, foolish kid, not John Mahama will join to me in Casa. You know, to me my press conference, or be to me in Casa. You know, we are Bwani Chasre. You know, a Bwancho, we are Quasia in the history of Ghana. IGP, away Jimmy Pa, NDC IGP, you know, Quasia Penyah, Jimmy. Odi amami say what now ahwe ma nipa bonefo akunkura maako poli maako for no me na mo free na ontimi lodu omo machine ko prison na makochi abronye na nkwasiafo police fo na omo de bekwa anti criminals a omo ku omo nipa yo glass nko yeah boss you be share nyame kan. Of course you know what it is. I'm too damn popular in the United States. Some of these interactions may remind me pop up man. Of course obaso no share no kre no ma we nyo first and last. So ukwasia wo mranti ade kwachi abronye wo ne mranti a wo de bechi awudifo amaku police ni wo ya boa Yohonu Jimmy stupid man kwasia bi ba tete o Yohonu Jimmy fo wo be suanyansa kwasia police ni a wo ya co-worker wo ya wakura I was so feel safe say under the leadership of IGP Yohonu Jimmy fo no I am safe. Me kwanye safe. Me ma ene me yire omuntu omakuma because me kwa meba fie me nkowu. Da bi wa Jimmy na wo di police ni hanti abronye a onkum aponchirani krada. Wo di police ni hanti abronye a onkum aponchirani da Yohonu ntu so ya boa ma meka nchire wa dwi ntimi hu se wa Jimmy. John Mahama ne yakwahia unsu wa Jimmy wo ya boa uma emuye loose no muku police force abe kakra wo yire no ma no be ba ku omu o because wo yire no ma hwa na guide omu police for anti say kromu afo timiku police ni ko free a edi hwan na ekobo yire no homa ho ban yo na boa John Mahama na ntwie wo ba na me pena di no me ba na me pena di na nima butu fam edi ne to ahwiem na matare to abodogi no o be ma obi akuni free obi ko police ni na guide no police ni no nso nkofo kuni free o jai me wadi nkofo masa akase me ba be di unso ba tika na wo be ma wudi ya be kun ba no ka siampa ni John Mahama protect the police so they can protect your unkwasiama na o twan oba ne twe wa protect ya to one ma be fa kodi na matemeka because what the nkofo ma twe akase ya onsi e be di uba chatika na ye drodro o twan John Mahama o free. If you think it's a joke, then I'm sorry, it's not a joke anymore. The almighty Twene Jonas is the best. Now me catch yourself, bro, for man, but Nyamisha bro, you have in when you glass in Kwan. Ever Kuchi, also they said, Yohonu, road to his village is not good. He's not telling the president to fix it, but arresting innocent people. Yohonu, the way Jimmy fucking. Yohonu ni John Mahama na minim. Hey. Eti dabio na me ye police ni a na nipa boni ni akumi me nkura ha enka maskata kuro no nyina asese o nyina akoda dada wa bodam who are you me amikura tuo me amikura mra no na wo do peko baabi nkwasiafo do magimi ehwehwa ni mu nchie ai bronye ye nkwache no na obi an se ya ban na aba ye tuti MPP for bad o magimi ese moa. It's not about revenge. It's about doing the right thing for the people so that the people will always acknowledge and appreciate you. Now, if the country is not safe under your leadership, it means you have failed drastically. And outside gentility, home crying, every 1 minute, fire service in the system is working 24/7. Nyamisha broni every na muni na excavator na John Mahama odan ni nia Ibrahim Mahama dey sensuo no kwasi broni di ye ne krom kwan. Isn't that incredible? Na mabeka kira America for say nipa bone fo ni criminals a omuya udifo amudi porto omu nyina no me John Mahama ma jimi nti me han hotel de omaguma to aduane amomadi na minye sikantua teacher for ka minye sikantua nurse for ni doctors ka na teacher for strike nurse for strike nti John Mahama e ba sa wunsu agimi na medical sponsor Gambia for medical sponsor Nigeria for a deport to unti wunsu agimi under the Ghana constitution krano ala tania buani kwansen ko only rights obetima betina Ghana more than 90 days under Ghana constitution more than 90 days. Now so John Mahama jiminti ala tafo time ba se ko no ma be pam Ghana for no mo na be ade o mo store be siwo no mo ye market no mo pam kantamanto for because John Mahama jimi ukoka na I almost say John Mahama akofa kwase bia betena ye friend Igbo kenti on the control John Mahama enti ukoka pe no abetena obetretew ena ai mu ya mema police fu abechi na say Igbo ken nyansi amasale suwezi wa edin ya sanka mama obi akuna firi ase say Igbo ken no foreign aboa obi krom e say respect krom wafo the first say man panyin na jimi a waje o bribe no enkyere say utimi ye nkwase ade foreign na waba obi krom untimi ma emehunahuna obi a nansi a me threaten be mienu miensa waye di wa first study because rome nyasa kama mo obi akuna firi ase because obi Ghana ni bia ni obetimi akobo Nigeria akotena TV so athletes e me matoma mpanyini no enti Nigeria ni abegime bia na meyo say amayo say enka o ade akura nche wo Nigeria wala tafo ni bekun but Ghana de ye jiminti ni ama nkwasiafo abegu kromo no mo ye nkwasiade because John Mahama jimi faso ni so enti ala tani a unam Ghana tiemiye na nti din na bre onwo ase na wo ye foreigner o ma otrimu ya wo dan na wadwen yo se John Mahama na jimi wo de mra be show nsema ku Ghana ni amem ya beku ni wabusianfo ahyem na ye drodro na nse won se me trete mu yaku Ghana ni na toate mun mani nya din sa mala tani bia nkoku Ghana ni bia bio nya sa memma Ghana fo wo Ghana ho nyina start akun alatafo wo Ghana ho nyina anti munya din na munanti wo din na anya John Mahama kura na ajimi ankwasesam komkrom sesi ade ono de wabeka che Trump kura se onfa alatafo ni nyina amre na Ghana wo ajimi ai sekna man John Mahama na ntwie bia anche John Mahama NDC ni a onim na abeba be jimi no mebo odua kum because baby am NDC for mo anu mo gu no mo doso me nwu obi a me ntime entua mo ho kama obi a mekum maako ntime abrum nua me brum nua me de anto aba jimo akum afiri afe cause woni ma de papa pa na o support bone nti wo mu jimi a me hye da akotu eska ma anto an ma bodua ma bo NDC for nyina ndia cause mo ntina e me support bone na nipa mienu miensanse ekuro ena obi hye ne dam ne yakoyi na kokuno ena obi tikam na nipa bonefo akokuno ni nyina ye se nipa bonefo fees o mbetimi aku police fo akofree nipa bonefo fees se police ni ye weak nipa bonefo fees se Ghana no se si om ne control nipa bonefo anya confidence ye nkwasiade because John Mahama jimi so anti John Mahama sit up, it's never too late. Energy amde ko wia Sankofa mines project di amamunua no ese mu se sa energy no mo convert the your mining ya o mine na be reward mo na munya ise ye be wia no na kronfo woni animonya mo ba bia mu ko wia Sankofa project na Ibrahim Ibrahim Mahama wawu na ma be ya announcement se me na mai kokun na obi antimi nkasa o fa na be kasa kronfo awu a foolish case mina ma ekoku no wan be kasa di su na mbesu kantan kakra no won fa so kra nya no awi na unia Ibrahim Mahama o ya kromfo wawu a beans enti mesramo Ibrahim Mahama sometimes obuan nipa enti ye penasem enti mamu mane medane kromfo na fe abedane na papa wa ye nyina abedane bone because obi ampe kromfo asem won we ye kromfo na we why papa so many years now ko wi ade a sa papa we in so many years no obi anka yo me wo mantamu no e o Ghana ono bo abrante ebu ayeti maame fo soma no papa fo soma no e ma ne koto ade ba o da obekwa ko wi ade bo ye buru na obi amaje no mbehwe am ya buru na ku ansa na ya fre police say o ma bokronfo ha o mo mefa no Stephen Yamensa I say Kantanka is dead o ni nyina ye Ghana mpanimfo hospital papa bia ni ho enro ni ho John Mahama ibaye wasise sika ni nyina de for private jet anti nurse for strike anti Kantanka inyasa ka brochire no wan ko da so ni na mo until we can do better. Always talk about the rent control. The rent control for a measure that the warm up abromo in another day. Sometimes no blame am kura nye. Me powerhouse ni o camera se twa ho ahia nti ba bia wo number bia na record o so ni se mu camera na na ball no on the camera and the ball. BMW M division. Pow. Me last weekend. Say the biani a top cement ni a top petrol because your mama ni a kronfo. Because it's a levy about to petrol so. Obi a edi akofo admoko because of ye levy. Was we jiminti. Once we akofa di levy aba. And unti ama bi bia boy because cement ni ade om de ba no aya na car na ade cement ni efa so ba car na de ba ndi car no driver ni no obeto petrol bia no obetua 1 liter bia 1 cedi a day auto petrol 60 gallons a wetia 2.5 ena ama John Mahama ena say auto bosomi bia auto petrol no the cement ni ba bosomi bia no obetia 70 million e di ama John Mahama kwasi ampanyini oji sika na kodi kwa eti driver ni di sika nyina be piecement ni so enti abasa bibia abo be de nti efiewurafo no omo nso omo ya selfish and for omo say omo si fie no na kwa me nkroma tam na wo so omo calculate and economic hardship no omo dey a charge rent because dodo na koso si fie ni bika ho because their job is to keep renting their properties to the public and to the people until they have to rebuild new houses. Until they put it into consideration how much charge more. Until when they buy no remove some kwasia taxes na ebema or minor ye. Obviously useless stock when you charge what kwasia or mine I go timber diamond manganese bauxite. You to petrol Ghana. Edi entina John Mahama kwasi ampanyi ko for 1 cedi de to later so onyimi onya aboa ni timo fam kwasia me kanya nsan kire wa o ye den a obi abefro ka na akọ baabi enti John Mahama nya aboa baabi a ade a edi Ghana beko ebe ma Ghana fo abre amomo a kire omo no enti ka unim nyansan kafa sa levy no fa kototo omo mutu gold no so China fo kwasia fo no na fatu omo twitimba de ko obrochire sisa levy gu omo so na Ghana ni na ono no nam kromu ono petro no kwa se nkobu ni free da bi ma jimi na ma sisa nkwasi taxes the owner of the resources ono mom na ebre momo ba dam kwasi nipa na jimi na me kan okra kire omo a na otu na jimi o support jimi nipa no John Mahama kwasi a we sika a oje no ana nkotia tichafo kampan kenya ya oji sika we nyino ntwintwa na esefo ntwintwa tichafo mo strike enti sika no wen sika na oji na wen fa anya omo nyinche nua no omo de boa no omo de akofro private jet no omo de nam Singapore omo de nam Japan no omo de ye guy no masisa ehyawofuo de omagum no omo sami jamfidi de aka atoto $500,000 ka obi a owie school onya adwuma bia owie aseda omo amaye adwuma aye doctor aye lawyers for 30 years plano bisa se omo hu $500,000 dada bi sami jamfi owie school last 2 years ago no call law school onya adwuma owie aseda John Mahama odwan we ba ya sisi asami jamfi ni baby mamas makoma ko 20 obi a wato East Legon dan ama no $500,000 $200,000 $300,000 ena odi atoto fiama na shawo for plus baby one ne yere nso te ansana dollars idi aka gukam na ochema ashawofo echebi ma akronfo ati se agrada enti when they take the money they throw the money away, they waste the money for nothing. Anya sa ankomo kwasi ampanyi ti se sami jamfi akraketwa obi a kire ade for 40 years a pension ne dan kronya ska moso na akraketwa na buy less than 1 year wadan millionaire blow ska etimi hia obi ti se agrada kronfo no ato $10,000 abono je what SV Olo biography $500,000 Range Rover and sana ni baby mama sinyina no information ni baby mama ba ku nua be maka kire me ni say omu nyina obi a V8 baako and sana omu made sami jamfim penafo no omu made so ewo Elantra a odikodi dwa ani Toyota Corolla na taxpayers money na omu no tia tax no omu krom kwan atutu taxpayers money no a omu krom kwan atutu omu kwa adwuma yentua omu ka yentua chichafo yentua na esfo sika no wan omu blow no kwa anti when nipa no majimi na meka na de kwase abetena wunim sesa mi jamfita ma akofo ade wo so na ofro trotro wunim ni nyina na ofa dropping oba FM so a dropping no tim so anti se nipa ofa dropping no na ade echi na banya ba na $1 million guo no oblo na ho amusika taxpayers money no to go so on ya meche no wunim se aberewa kwase abaye odi John Mahama achi kama yento abama omo na on te private jet im na kwa bruchire na ofro commercial na aberewa kwase abaye je na anan private jet no tenem de ba bruchire for check up stroke chain no private jet no ofro betenam ewa bruchire obeda hotel every day bia omutua more than $50,000 my hotel. What you say? And every checkup or baby or the private jet neighbor. Unim say Kevin Taylor knaman. On for private jet that John Mahama odwan anka Kevin Taylor on na busuanfo hwan na hu private jet that John Mahama odwan na e Kevin Taylor tena private jet me hwan musika. John Mahama odwan e na bia TV station ama Kevin Taylor na otua ho ka e hwan musika jimi enti ba no atie no kra na wagya me NDC sem na kwase outway the other better aduane ade anwumre kra woni bi ade sha wo maame na wo san de wo ha wo koso ano kwase wo na mo wadi 30 years 40 years so oman ni ya nka anya maame so na ate odwan kasa amire nka wo se watimi han wodan wote wodan mu a wasomadwo a wasan kwaje proto o ye nkakra akra kra atimi asi so what you say NDC ni aboa tie me sa amire nka ni kwa se wusi wo maame kwasiam wo maame kwasiafo no ane wo papa kwasiafo no so ke wo se e wo de wo ho abranti ana baba wa 25 years going e wo se America 18 years old ono atimi ko han ni dan because the system will make you rich or marry or go school now or summer vacation ko ye adwuma se wusika because there's so many jobs are buying a creative work including immigrant aboa kura be wura kurom ha automatically okoye adwuma sendisika ama na busuanfo ama mato protest dan ama no enti system no is going to make you rich or marry enti NDC ni aboe tiemi ye say sika na efro private jet ade abiro akwase aba no eba check up every month no sa private jet no ho ka no ebetimi create employment ama NDC for mo wani na me nka say mun create ma MPP nimpo mun create ma NDC youth no a mo ne na manfa so bi aniom so no that private jet money no can create 24-hour economy to employ all the NDC youth nanso ye dia high private jet na sami jamfidi dia aka toto Land Cruiser ama ne baby mamas don't get me wrong ni nyina so omo say koto petrol gumo ma musika eye menu mienu we Jimmy so dwan no yesika ne de koyesa nkwahye adwuma no enti when the almighty Twene Jonas is talking anya say bia metan obi a memenam the United States many how bia me ka esiwo Ghana ni bia ntimi ntobi I'm sitting in $3.5 million BMW M division bulletproof 2,500 horsepower multi-million dollars mansion with the greatest city on planet Earth. The whole world can't be anywhere, city be anywhere powerful city where I'm no. This is the most powerful city on planet Earth. And to me, I feel pains that my Ghanaians who have all the natural resources are suffering.
So the comment section. I have Penyah Block Media.